There's breaking news coming in. The Enforcement Directorate has provisionally attached the Mumbai apartment in shares of Chanda Kochhar. She is presently now being probed in a loan scam by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate. A total worth of property attached is over 78 crore rupees as per the book value, and the market value will be much higher. That's the latest information that is coming in. Chanda Kochhar, remember, has been under the Enforcement Directorate scanner for quite some time now. Munish is joining us. Munish, not just Chanda Kochhar, her husband Deepak Kochhar is also on under fire from the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI as well. The Enforcement Directorate probe clearly looks like it has deepened as far as Chanda Kochhar is concerned, and this time around she's being probed in the loan scam as well. If you could highlight what the loan scam is all about.
Yeah, well, Chaiti, even you have followed this case very closely, and remember the case was first registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation last year around March, April, and then ED started their own investigation. Now, what is the main allegation against Chanda Kochhar is that there was a loan which was given to Videocon group, and then it was not repaid, and the allegation was that there was a quid pro quo between Deepak Kochhar through Chanda Kochhar between Venugopal Doot, the chairman of Videocon, and that is why that loan was passed by Chanda Kochhar while she was the president, CEO and MD of ICICI Bank. Now, after the initial investigation, the Enforcement Directorate came across 3 other companies where the loans were given in the same manner, and what ED believes at this point of time is that there was a quid pro quo between those companies and Chanda Kochhar, and the main beneficiary was Mr. Deepak Kochhar, husband of Chanda. Now, ED has questioned Chanda Kochhar for more than 3 times, and the officials of ICICI Bank have blamed Chanda Kochhar for giving this loan, and as of now, ED claims that their primary investigation is complete and they are in mid of their investigation, and till now they have gathered concrete evidence that Chanda was indeed part of it, and that is why they have now provisionally attached one apartment in Mumbai, and apart from that there was shares on the name of Chanda Kochhar. Now, the total book value of this property and share as of now, according to book value, is 78 crore, but sources within the Federal Probe Agency have told India Today that the total market value of these properties may be over 600 crores. But this is a very massive development because Chanda Kochhar has been a very famous banker in India, and after the probe by the ED and CBI, she has been saying that she has nothing to do with the loans given to Videocon or any other companies, but ED going ahead with the attachment, it means that they have a concrete evidence against.
You know, and Munish, this also brings the spotlight back increasingly on the top executives of various banks who are allegedly involved in financial probes, not just top banks, but also the NBFC sector.
Yeah, well, this certainly had a major impact on the banks, and after the PNB scam, basically all the CEOs, MDs and presidents of bank were under scanner of CBI and ED. Now, there are at least 2 to 3 former CEOs of multiple national banks. They were found to be, part of the conspiracy, giving loans to various companies, including Videocon and especially in the case of Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi. So this has certainly had an impact on the banking system, and that is why there was a trust deficit between the customers and the banks, and that is why there was certain guidelines given by the Finance Ministry from the Reserve Bank of India, and now what we are seeing is that when the probe is getting completed by the CBI and ED, it is being unfolded that the officials in the higher positions
and
of the bank,
this is a developing story right here. Chanda Kochhar under the Enforcement Directorate scanner. We're taking a very short commercial break. Manish Pandey, thanks much for that exclusive news break. Up next.